I want to talk about the survival pickaxe that Fusion Key sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get right out of the box? You get a little bit of assembly required. It takes literally about 90 seconds, if that. You get the bottom, the top, and right here you have the pickaxe. Now you got a couple different options with this. You can see it right here assembled. Right on the very bottom, glass breaker. All right there. If you find yourself in a vehicle you need to get out quickly, that's going to be handy. Unscrewing the bottom part, you have two different things available to you. You have an emergency whistle and you have a flint if you need to start a fire. And each individual section is water resistant, which is really good. Each one has a gasket. Taking a look at the next section right here, we have the knife coming right up. So you need to do some cutting. It's serrated on one side. You need to do some sawing. You have a bottle opener as well. So very versatile. This is going to be great for anyone, I'm thinking going camping. It's lightweight and easy to carry. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, click on the link in the description below.